There are basically two kind of groups of ladies that come in. The majority of ladies that come in will say they've been thinking about it since they were in high school. Maybe their breast didn't grow until after they had their children, but they've been thinking about it often for many years, multiple decades, sometimes 40 years, and they are nervous or they don't have time because they've got other responsibilities and they put it off and they keep putting it off because there's something else that feels more pressing and they just don't give themselves the benefit of a little self-care. And so then when they finally get around to it, by the time they walk through the door, I think they're excited to be actually doing something about it and for themselves after waiting so long. And then I would say the other group is often younger or teenagers, maybe early 20s, who are athletic or who want to be athletic or who are frustrated or embarrassed. And oftentimes they have family members who they've mentioned it to, and maybe family members who've had a breast reduction before. And so they are supported early on and will get it done. So they don't have the chronic issues yet, more the embarrassment because they developed early and they can't do the things they want to do, and they walk in with their shoulders pulled forward and slouched, wearing often oversized clothing or oversized sweatshirts, even in the summertime. And so they're excited, but not because they've been dealing with it for so long, but so much of their self-image has been wrapped around hiding their breast size. And once they have it done, by the time they're showing up for their 2 week or certainly by their 3 month, but they're already wearing clothing that fits, they're making eye contact, they're smiling, their confidence you see is just already through the roof. So it can make a huge difference kind of in either of those groups of ladies. We have photos on display at portlandplasticsurgery.com, also on our socials. And if you come into the office at any time, I can show you a list of before and after photos of folks who maybe weren't even comfortable with them being out in social media or out on the computers, but that are really happy with their results and happy to share with prospective patients.